coming near to you. Means assessment is coming in the next month. That will be in the mid or in the third week we are planning for. So please don't waste your time. Please go on reading and complete all your homework. Keep all the books ready for the correction, because on that basis only we will give the marks also, students. So please be ready, and you have to also keep all your homeworks, all the books finishing up. Okay, if any pages has been missed from my side or your side, please do all the homeworks, all the books completed. Okay, if anything I have missed out in telling the homework and all, because in these online classes we may miss, so complete all the books like maths, English, and also the EVS workbooks, all three workbooks, and phonic activity book, discovery book, and which reading readiness book, mathematics readiness book, and all your pictures books complete. Make it complete and keep it ready. Go through from one page to another page. If anything is pending, you can finish it off. Okay? Shall we start our class today, because we have a lot to cover it the subjects. So today we start the class. As usual, the first class is our English. Yesterday we were learning some sight words. In the sight words we were learning I. I can eat, swing, I can read, I can run, I can talk. So many you can write. I can eat. Okay. The second one, you. You can laugh. Or can you laugh? You can laugh. ನೀನು ನಗ್ಬಹುದು. You can laugh now ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಲ್ಲ, you can laugh. We can talk together. Okay? We can talk together. ನಾವು ಇಬ್ರು ಸೇರ್ಕೊಂಡು ಮಾತಾಡೋಣ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಲ್ಲ, so we can talk together. Okay? Next is he. He is very good boy. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅವನು ತುಂಬಾ ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಹುಡುಗ ಅಂತ. He is very good boy. He is very good boy. Next is she. She is very smart. ಅವಳು ತುಂಬಾ ಸ್ಮಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿದ್ದಾಳೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. I, you, we, he and she. I ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಾನು, you ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನೀನು, we ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಾವಿಬ್ರು, he ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಬಾಯ್, she ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಗರ್ಲ್. ಇಷ್ಟನ್ನ ನೀವು ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀವಾ? It. It is a pencil box. It is a pencil box. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅದು ಪೆನ್ಸಿಲ್ ಬಾಕ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. It is a pencil box. ವಸ್ತುಗಳಿಗೆ it ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. Next is they. They can run fastly. Okay, they can run fastly. They can run ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅವರು ಜೋರಾಗಿ ಓಡಬಹುದು. Again I tell you, I means ನಾನು, I can eat, I can run, I can swim, I can read, I can write. So many you can write. You can read, you can laugh. You ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನೀನು. We ಅಂದ್ರೆ we both. We can talk together, we can chat together, we can run together. He means for a boy we will tell he is a very good boy, he is very bad boy, he is very poor boy, like that you can write. she is very smart ಅಂದ್ರೆ she ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಹುಡುಗಿಗೆ ನಾವೇನು ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ she ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. she is very smart girl, she is very beautiful girl, she is very pretty ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಲ್ಲ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ she. it is a pencil box, ಅದು pencil box, ಅದು pencil box ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. they can run fastly, ಅವರೆಲ್ಲ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಜೋರಾಗಿ ಓಡಬಹುದು ಅಂತ ನಾವು ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. these are some side words what we already learned. Just today I am revising the same thing. Please open your book reading. I gave the same homework for you. Again I am reading it aloudly. Please check the answer. If it is okay, okay. Otherwise you correct it off. The page number 51. ನಾನು, you ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನೀನು, we ಅಂದ್ರೆ we both ನಾವಿಬ್ರು, they ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅವರು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಬಾಯ್, she ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಗರ್ಲ್, it ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅದೊಂದು ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಅಥವಾ ಒಂದು ವಸ್ತುಗೆ ನಾವು it ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. fill in the blanks using he, you or me to complete the sentences. Dash loves singing, she loves singing. Dash is writing, he is writing. Dash are my best friend, you are my best friend. Dash are playing, we are playing, we are playing. Like that you have to complete it. Okay, I think you have done that homework. Now we are going to our next topic in the same English, that is this and that. This and that, ಏನಕ್ಕೆ this and that ನ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಅಂತ ಗೊತ್ತಾ ಮಕ್ಕಳ? Yes, any idea? This and that ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಹತ್ರದಲ್ಲಿರೋ ವಸ್ತುನ ಡಿಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಮಾಡುವಾಗ this ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. This is a duster, this is a scissor ಅಂತೆಲ್ಲ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. That ಅನ್ನುವಾಗ ದೂರದಲ್ಲಿ ತೋರಿಸ್ತೀವಿ. That is a tube light, that is a fan, ಮತ್ತೆ that is a board ಅಂತ ದೂರದಲ್ಲಿ ಇರುತ್ತಲ್ಲ ಅದು ತೋರಿಸ್ತೀವಿ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ that ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. This is a book, that is a draw, I mean anything like tree. Okay, these objects near, that objects far. Okay, this case sentence this is a scale. Okay, next one. This is a pencil. This is a chalk. Okay, like that we will tell. It's a near, very near. Okay, ಇದು ತುಂಬಾ ಹತ್ತಿರದಲ್ಲಿ ಎಲ್ಲಿರುತ್ತೋ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವೇನು ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ, ಹತ್ತಿರದಲ್ಲಿ ಇರೋದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವೇನು ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಎ ಸ್ಕೇಲ್. ತುಂಬಾ ಹತ್ತಿರದಲ್ಲಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಹತ್ರ ಏನಿರುತ್ತೋ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಎ ಸ್ಕೇಲ್. pencil, this is a box, this is a duster, this is a mender ಆ ಥರ ಎಲ್ಲ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. ದೂರದಲ್ಲಿ ಇರುತ್ತಲ್ಲ ಓಕೆ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ that ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. That is a tree. Is there any tree in the classroom? Classroom ಅಲ್ಲಿ tree ಇರುತ್ತಾ? classroom ಇಂದ ಆಚೆ ಇರುತ್ತಲ್ಲ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವು ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ that is a tree. That is a building. ಹೌದಲ್ವ? ತುಂಬಾ ದೂರದಲ್ಲಿ ಬಿಲ್ಡಿಂಗ್ ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಿದೆ that ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. ಅದನ್ನ ನಾವು ಯಾವ ಸಿಂಬಲ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, ಈ ತರ ಒಂದು ಸಿಂಬಲ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ದಿಸ್ಗೆ ಈ ತರ ಒಂದು ಸಿಂಬಲ್ ನ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ದಿಸ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಈ ತರ ಸಿಂಬಲ್, ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ದೂರದಲ್ಲಿ ಇರೋದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವೇನು ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. Okay, the homework is open your reading guidelines book. Page number 53 and 54. close to us. As I told you, it will be close to us, and 1 in number. That is used for things far from us. ನಮಗೆ ದೂರ ಇರೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಅದನ್ನ that ಅಂತ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. That is 1 in number. Okay. Dash is an ice cream. They are given arrow mark. You had to check it out. Small arrow mark this ಅಂತ ಬರೆಯಬೇಕು. Big arrow mark ಅಂದ್ರೆ ದೂರದಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ರೆ that ಅಂತ ಬರೆಯಬೇಕು. Dash is an ice cream. You see the ice cream. Where is the ice cream? It's near or far. Then you have to write this or that. Dash is an apple. You see the arrow mark. You'll come to know it is near or far. Dash is an orange. Dash is an pot. Next one. Fill in the page number 54. You have to write your name and put the date. Fill in the blanks with this or that to complete the question and answer. What is dash? Dash is a top. You have to write the question also and answer also. What is that? What is that? This is a top. What is that? This is a flag. Like that you have to write. Okay? Yes? Yes. Okay, children. You complete that. What is that? This is a top. What is that? Is a flag. Like that you have to see. You have to see the arrow mark and you have to complete this. Page number 54. Understood? Yes. You have to complete the 2 pages, and as I told you again, I am telling you all the reading and readiness page, all the pages you need to complete up. I think I have given everything as your homework. If anything page is missed out, please do it and finish it off, except the last page number 55. That I will give you tomorrow. Except that all the pages till 54 you have to complete all the pages in your reading readiness book. Yes, no children, understood no? Yes, I will move to our next class, that is mathematics. Mathematics we were learning as I told you, time is very important in our life, correct? No, if the time we don't know the time, we can't live in a life. Okay, because by seeing the sun we can't learn how the day will run. The day will depend on the timings. The timing is been divided into 24 hours. In that 12 will be a AM and 12 will be the PM. AM means it's like a early morning. I mean actually that is anti-meridian. That for our tongue twistingness we have keep it as a after morning. I mean after the morning. PM is prime morning. Means after the morning what will come? That will be the PM. Okay. So 24 hours is divided into 2 kinds. One is the AM and 12 hours will be AM and 12 hours will be the PM. In a clock, what will be there? What are the features of the clock? First one, what will be there? Numbers will be there. How many numbers? From 1 to 12. 12, 3, 6 and 9. In that 1, 2, 4, 5, 7, 8, 10, 11, 12 will be there. Next, what will be there? One connector will be there. long arm like this it will be there, and the short arm. Okay, the clock 8 o'clock. The time is now, it is showing 8 o'clock. So clock in the, there will be a numbers. Next one, it is a conductor. Okay, two hands will be there, one a long arm and the second one is a short arm. Okay, this is called a 8 o'clock. The time is showing as a 8 o'clock. Understood now? Yes. With that, please open your mathematics readiness book. I'll give you some homework in that mathematics readiness book. It is a and also the name in that. You see where the short will be there and where the long arm will be there. With that, on the basis of that, you have to write how much the time is, like 2 o'clock, 5 o'clock, 7 o'clock, 10 o'clock, 9 o'clock, like that. You have to check and write and complete it of the page number 87. For this also, mathematics readiness quiz, as I told you, please complete all the pages. As of now, I think I have given all the pages and completed everything for you. If any pages missed it out, please do all your things, okay, so that the homework has been completed for you. Please do all the pages in your mathematics readiness book and keep it ready for the correction. Okay children, please do all the pages in your mathematics readiness book. There are 87 pages. You have to check it out, sit properly and check one by one pages and complete all the homework and give the book for the correction. Okay, understood now? Yes. Okay, in the maths today I am going to review you the same thing what we have done, the numbers from 1 to 100. Okay, everything I will not write, I will write only the last three for you, like 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80. Okay, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, and the last one is 100. I have done the number names from 1 to 100 only, but for your readiness I have taken from 71 to 100. 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79 and 80. 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90. 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99 and 100. Okay, I will do the revision of number names. Division of the number names. In that, what we are doing, that is 70 and take number names like 79, 79, 60. Okay, like this. You can also learn at home. Please learn at home, because the number names will be there from 100 also. Then also they will give a missing number, before number, after number till 100. Okay, please do learn at home from 1 to 100. This is your maths class. Now we are moving to our next class, that is EVS. Today we are going to learn our country. Which is our country? Yes, it's a India. India is our country. Correct ಅಲ್ವಾ? Country ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಾವು ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ ದೇಶದಲ್ಲಿ ವಾಸ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದೀವೋ that will be our country. Okay? If we are migrated from other country, that will be our country. This is your migrated country. But as of our thinking, we have born in India, so India is our country. Okay? Today we are going to learn little about our country, India. Okay? Please open your Tell Me More book. In that page number, how much? 46. What is that? Our country, India. What are they in our country? Okay, we will see what are they in our country. What is our national thing? What is our national symbols? What is our national anthem? These are all included in our country. Okay, country is included with rivers. Country is included with so many states. Is included with so many cities and all. Okay, as I told you, India is our country. Like that, so many countries are there, like South Korea, South Africa, America, Canada, Australia, Brazil, Iceland. So many countries are there, children. But we are born and brought up in India, so India is our country and Karnataka is our state. Okay, in our country, as we are in our house, we all have our own surname, own tradition, rituals are there, no? Like that, in our country also its own identity, with the birds, with the plenty of water, rivers, with plenty of animal sanctuaries, with plenty of peoples. Okay, so we also have our particular things. India's, what are those? We will just go through that. India national emblem. The Ashoka pillar is the national emblem. Which is our country fruit? National fruit is mango. Okay, which is our national animal? Tiger is our national animal. Which is our flag? National flag is Indian tricolor flag. National flower, which is our national flower? That is lotus. Which is our national river? That is Ganga. Which is our national game? That is hockey. And which is our national aquatic animal? That is Gangetic dolphin. And which is our national tree? That is big banyan tree. Which is our national bird? That is a peacock. They have given some question conversation in the page number 46 also. You just go through that. Tomorrow once we meet in our class, again we will review the same thing in depth. Okay children, please read the Tell Me More book, Our Country India. That is the page number 46, and be ready for the next class. Once we meet in the tomorrow's class, we will learn more about the people of India and also the why this symbol is kept in our India. Okay children? Yes, and also about some points regarding our Indian tricolor flag. Okay? Okay, take care. Bye.